Anthropic has revealed it's watermarking text generated by Claude AI to comply with the European Union's new AI transparency rules. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The company said its text watermarking will not have easy-to-see visuals, will not be distinguishable to the people who read it, and will not be adding hidden characters to the text, but it will leave a pattern in the text that can only be decoded by someone who has the key for it. The company explained that large language models pick one word at a time when generating text by choosing from a list of potential appropriate words to use. They pick words randomly as long as they make sense for the context of what they're generating. With watermarking on, Claude will use a key to decide on what word to choose instead of using a random number generator to pick the next word. Anthropic says watermarking won't affect the quality of Claude's output or slow it down, and won't require extra tokens or make generations more expensive. Anthropic admits that its text watermarking method does have limitations. It can't tell whether Claude actually wrote the text or just edited it, which means if you ask the AI to edit something for you, it'll be watermarked too. The feature can only tell if Claude was likely involved with the text at some point. Even translations will be watermarked, and slightly editing Claude-generated text probably won't remove it. There have been some concerns on how watermarking would affect code, since it may not be copyrightable without significant human input. Anthropic will also watermark images by adding a cryptographically signed node in its metadata that says it was generated by Claude. All Claude products that use models released after August 2nd will have watermarks. Anthropic will also add watermarking capability to older Claude models over the coming months. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.